Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a middleman in Roblox. A middleman acts as a trusted third party, ensuring secure trades between two players. They temporarily hold items or Robux, preventing potential scams and adding a crucial layer of security to your transactions. This process helps both buyers and sellers complete deals with 100% confidence, especially for high-value exchanges. Understanding this role is key to safe trading. Finding a reliable middleman is paramount for a safe trade. Always seek individuals or services with a well-established reputation and numerous positive community endorsements. Verify their legitimacy by checking their past trade history and ensuring they are recognized within the Roblox trading community. Avoid unverified sources to protect your valuable items and Robux, ensuring a trustworthy experience every time. The middleman process is straightforward. First, both trading parties agree on the terms and select a trusted middleman. The seller then transfers their item or Robux to the middleman. Subsequently, the buyer sends their payment or item to the middleman. Once both sides have fulfilled their obligations, the middleman releases the respective assets to the correct recipients, completing the secure exchange. To ensure your safety, never share your Roblox account password or any personal information with anyone, including a middleman. Always confirm the middleman's identity through official channels before starting any trade. Be extremely cautious of deals that appear too good to be true, as they often indicate a scam. For added protection, always record your transactions, providing valuable evidence if any issues arise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.